How to reorder past orders in one click on the Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you craving your last shack meal? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reorder past orders in one click on the Shake Shack website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply log in with your credentials and once logged in, you can simply go to open my orders to see your past purchase. And there you can simply find the meal that you want and check the items and any customization there. And with that, you can just hit reorder, sometimes order again, and your cart will fill automatically. And here, if you need tweaks, you can change quality, quantity, remove any items, or adjust toppings right in the cart. And once you're done with that, you simply have to confirm the location and pick up delivery payment method. And once done with everything, you just need to hit place order. And that's it. That's how you can reorder past orders in one click on the Shake Shack website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.